Condensation, perhaps.
Something to do with like evaporation or something.
Okay, very good.
Sweat.
Precipitation?
That water is called... That water, you gotta turn it off.
It's frosty.
I'm going to go with Graham's quantum theory of...
Mist?
Condensation?
Well, it's water, but it's caused by condensation.
Okay.
That's kind of embarrassing.
No need to be embarrassed.
I think about it a lot too. It's condensation.
Okay.
Condensation is the water that beads up outside of something when the hot and cold air meet each other.
Okay.
It sweats through the...
Would it be pop?
Oh, because it's getting icy on the outside. It starts to melt and it drips down. The sun gets really hot and evaporates the water.
When the ambient temperature on the outside of the can is higher than the inside of the can, it collects moisture, condensation on it. And I'm trying to think of why that happens. I know that when people have, like when they're camping and they have canteens and they have cloths on the outside that when it's hotter outside and then it keeps it cool inside. But how does that happen? I want to say that the moisture in the air, it's not something that's coming from within the can. It's the moisture that's in the air collects on the can because it is cooler.
And then the air comes and then it turns the outside cool.
When the air is warmer on the outside of the object than the liquid that is on the inside, condensation forms on the outside, which can feed into a sweat.
When the cold subject meets the warm air.
It's in the air.
No, it's all on the outside.
It's a vapor from the outside of the can.
Possibly.
It's coming from inside the cup, I would imagine.
Anything in nature?
Yeah.
Plants. They absorb the water instead of sweat it out, so they absorb it into their leaves. Photosynthesis.
Cold basement walls, is that in the, or the moisture in the air condensates on the cold basement wall if you're below a certain level?
Well, people sweat because they're too hot, or they exercise and they get overheated and your body is cooling you off by you sweating or perspiring. But women glow.
Dew in the morning? Same thing. The ground is warmer than the cool air and dew forms.
Rain falls from the sky.
I'm thinking dew outside.
I think the body
What happens
has
with
that
the
problem because only opposite maybe. The temperature of the body is real warm and maybe it sweats because it's warmer than the temperature.
Ice on lakes and rivers in the winter time towards spring.
On the grass.